If you have a Presto card and need to add more money to it so you can ride the O train, I'll go over step by step how to do this here on Travel Tricks. Before we get started, thank you for watching this video. And please subscribe to my channel, as I'm always sharing tricks to help you make your next vacation the best one yet. The Presto card is a card you can use to take on the Ottawa Transit and the O train. If you need to top off the card, adding more money, this can be done at any O train station using a ticket machine. The first thing you do is touch the screen and pick English as a language to use. From here, there are three choices. The choice you need to pick to top up your account is to touch the green box that says Presto. From here, you can reload existing Presto card or buy a new one. We need to top up ours, so press the green box that says Reload Existing Presto Card. Now, it will show where you need to place your Presto card to top it up. So, we will place the Presto card in the slot to the right of the screen. And now, we're ready to continue. On the screen, it shows my balance is $5 Canadian, and I have the choice to add money to my Presto card by pressing down Load, ePurse, or to add a pass by pressing Bypass. If you press Bypass, you can add a 1, 3, 5, or 7-day pass. Or if you want to add some money, just click Load ePurse. I'm only going to be here for a short time, so adding some money is all I need. On the next screen, it shows my current balance, which is $5 Canadian. I can add multiples of $5 to the card, so I will choose $5 Canadian. Now the total will say $10. Press Continue, and you have the option to pay by Canadian cash, or by Canadian debit card, or a credit card, Visa or MasterCard. I will press Credit or Debit Card, and I can tap or insert my choice of card. I will use a credit card, and I will tap it. It will ask if I want a receipt. I will press No, and it's all done. My Presto card has been topped up, and now I can use it. Thank you for watching this video. And if you're wondering how to get a Presto card, or how to use the O train, or where to find the O train at the Ottawa airport, check out these videos. And check out all of my videos. And please, subscribe to my channel, Travel Tricks, as I'm always sharing tricks to help you make your next vacation the best one yet. Thank you.